How to find favorite music settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here and top corner. Now click these 3 points and then click edit profile and then scroll all the way down and click interests, and here we'll find favorite music. Now just type here any music you want and that's it, and then save it, and it's easy. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.